Medical knee scooter for broken foot. The knee scooter arrives in a semi-assembled state. The kit consists of the mainframe assembly, the seat, the handlebar with brakes, 2 large bolts, and a wire basket. Begin by setting the mainframe assembly on a sturdy flat surface, wheels down. Grab both parts of the frame close to the center and push down swiftly to lock them into place. Secure the frame with a spring-loaded locking mechanism by pushing it forward into the groove and flipping the top part all the way to the side as seen on the video. The frame is now secured. Fold up the head tube and secure it with the spring-loaded locking mechanism by flipping it up and to the side as seen on the video. The head tube is now secured. Insert the stem of the handlebar assembly into the head tube. Align one of the holes on the stem with the hole in the tube. Choose any hole for now. Do not worry. You can adjust the height of the bar by choosing a different hole once the scooter is fully assembled. Secure the handlebar with the large bolt, feeding it from the front through both the hole in the tube and the stem as seen on the video. If done right, the bolt will screw straight into the nut welded to the other side of the tube. The handlebar is now secured. Secure the brake wires on the front of the head tube with the plastic tie as seen on the video. Close the clasp. Hang the wire basket onto the plate welded to the front of the head bar. Insert the seat post into the seat tube. Align the hole in the tube with a hole in the seat post according to the desired seat height. Feed the large bolt through both holes and screw it into the nut welded to the other side of the tube as seen on the video. The seat is now secured. At some point, you might want to adjust the brakes of the scooter. To do that, use an Allen wrench to loosen the screw that holds the brake wire in place. Adjust the wire as desired. Do not forget to tighten the screw after you're done. Your scooter is now fully assembled and ready to go. Now you can enjoy long, satisfying walks indoors and out. The wire basket is perfect for storing small items such as books, glasses, snacks, or a phone. The brakes can be locked to prevent the scooter from rolling inadvertently. To lock the brakes, squeeze the handbrake and push the spring-loaded locking pin down. Do it on both sides for extra security. To unlock the brakes, squeeze the handbrake again until the locking pin pops back up. You're ready to roll again. Easy to assemble, maneuverable, and reliable, the medical knee scooter for broken foot with an adjustable handlebar, adjustable seat, and wire basket from Healthline USA will help you go wherever you want, whenever you want, and enjoy the more active lifestyle you truly deserve.